Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Stay with us. Kids, now we're using the color of red. The next one is brown, white color. Stay with us. Purple color, blue color, dark green color. The next one is dark pink color, orange color, orange color. The next one is light green color, silver color. Stay with us. The next one is light pink color, sky blue color, black color exactly, and the last one is yellow color. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets. First we're using the color of light pink. A, B, C, D, E. The next one is F. F for fish. Now we're using the color of yellow, writing the alphabet of G. G for God. H. H for hand. I for ice. I for ice cream. J. K. And the next one is L. L for lemon. Now we're using the color of light green color. Exactly. M. M for mango. N. The next one is O. P. Q. R. R for rose. R for rice. Thank you so much for watching.